All right, the next store, Printing Smarter. Nice banner. Nil, nice to meet you. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona, 5,500 sales. Cool. Good logo. Good product photography. Oh, these look really good. IKEA. Okay. Controller holder. Have a video on it. Good job. You want videos on this. Excellent work. Dual Steam Deck stand. Ah, nice. Hangers for different types of items. Looks to me like pricing is a little bit low. But you're latching onto the IKEA SCADIS. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure. But latching onto that core product, and then people buy accessories for that product, which is the thing you want to do. Great work there. I'm going to go ahead and look at this. The item, video. Good job. Want a video. Nice, simple 3D printed product. How many colors do you have? Not too many colors, but a few colors. That's okay. Batch of units. Okay, a single one of those units for $7. That seems like good stuff. Are you charging for shipping? Charge for shipping internationally. I understand that. This is a tough thing. International stores always run into this problem where you have the U.S. market, guys like me, who would like to buy stuff like this, but the international shipping quadruples the cost of the thing. This international sellers and Etsy stores like this can really benefit from having a print-on-demand partner. But you can plug into our Etsy plugin, and then you can create U.S. listings that are advertised inside the United States and focused at U.S. customers. And you can link to them inside of the description for your international popular item. And then people don't have to pay international shipping. They can purchase it, and then that order would come through to us. Our print farm here in the States would produce the part and ship it to their customer in 3 to 5 days. They get the order faster. They get it for cheaper shipping, so you can charge free shipping. You can increase the price a little bit and charge free shipping. And it's a good quality product. So you're able to expand internationally without having to ship internationally. So it's using a print-on-demand 3D printing plugin like ours here at Slant 3D is a really good way to scale up your store more. You're doing fantastic. But Neil, you're doing fantastic right now. But if you want to do more and get into the States more easily, you can open up so much more market and not have to worry about it. And all of these items can be produced really affordably. Like these things, if you did like a set of 2, the cost to produce like 2 of those would be like maybe $3 or $4. And then you're selling them for 15. So there's a lot of margin there. You're still billing for shipping. So you're making like $10 off of having somebody else do all the work of printing and shipping it for you. So it can be a really good option to scale up your store effectively. The dollar thing, not necessarily. You'd probably have to create like a set of them for that in order to make it cost effective. But no, this is great. I would also say if any items are kind of languishing, run a sale against them, and Etsy will send out a notification to all of your followers that that item is for sale. Or if you know that a lot of people have it in their cart, send out a notification. A bunch of those people with it in their cart will convert over, and you can get more sales that way. But overall, well done, man. This is a really good looking store.